Does the taxman owe you money? Here's a really good news story. Millions and millions of euros have been paid out by revenue this year to people because they overpaid their taxes. We're talking here about something like 660,000 PAYE taxpayers got tax refunds this year, and the total amount, 637 million euros. Now that works out at around €1,000, close to €1,000 per person who claimed a tax refund. Why did they get tax refunds? Well, maybe their employer took too much income tax off them. That often happens, particularly when people change jobs. Or possibly they are claiming a tax relief, such as health expenses, which you can get 20% back for money you spend on a GP or for prescriptions or a consultant. Or maybe it's the rent tax credit. Small numbers are claiming that, maybe just over half the numbers who are expected to claim it. So lots of people could be claiming that one and are not, but some people are. Another one that's available is flat rate expenses. Most jobs have an expense you can claim as part of the job. And remote working as well. If you work away from the office, for those days that you work away from the office, you can claim for expenditure on broadband and heating and lighting. So there's money there, there's money to be had. Something like 800,000 returns were made by PAYE workers. Now, revenue's desperate to get people to go into the system. The system is called MyAccount.ie. It's the Revenue's tax portal for PAYE workers. Revenue's desperate to get you to go in there and just file a return, basically. Just look at all the tax credits and reliefs and see if you're getting everything you should get. Put in the up-to-date details, and you may well find that they owe you money. Wouldn't that be nice? A check for €1,000, money being transferred into your bank account. It's not to be sniffed at. Go and grab it if you think you're owed money by revenue.